2012 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37 KT for sale in London, Ohio 43140. Spread your wings and fly with this 2012 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37 KT. This Class A motorhome is 37.83 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Triton V10 gasoline engine mated with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This RV has 3 slide-outs, 1 power retractable awning, 1 manual awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with power mirrors, leveling system, rear, side vision cameras, monitor and captain's chairs. With only 29,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Thor Challenger will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2012 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37 KT is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great layout, great cooking area with 3-burner stove and convection microwave/oven refrigerator/freezer double kitchen SinkDinette with chair seating, FireplaceFour televisions including exterior entertainment system, satellite system, surround sound DVD/CD/stereo upgraded